Okay, this is a continuation of me after I've made a deposit. I want to actually do one or two trades and then test out this package. I hope I'll be able to place one or two trades, so I'll be right back. I need to get sick. Okay, I've made a trade. I just placed a trade, so I just made $10 with this trade. That's the first one. I just need to do like 3 trades, so I'll be doing another one. I'll be right back. You can see it's increasing. Okay, second trade in motion. I'm on the second trade. Second trade has also pulled through. That's another $10. Okay, going for the third trade. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually entered too early, very early. For this trade, I entered too early. I saw it. I may have to place another trade if it goes. Okay, it has started coming down. I wanted to enter another trade because I entered too early. Okay. I enter too early. This is one of the reasons when I'm recording, I don't like trading and trying to record. I enter that trade too early, very early. I can still win it because it's going to go down, but I've entered too early. Okay, let's just wait for it. We should pull through by now. All right, so you can see $60, right? $60. So let me show you all those trades that we just did right now. Okay, so you can see all this trade. I just did all these 3 trades. Do I lose? Yes, you can see record of losses. Sometimes I'll just be fooling around and doing other stuffs. So you can see I deposited $27. I have already made $30. Yeah, this is $30 profit. So let's go and test the withdrawal of the process we deposited, right? So I'm going to be testing the withdrawal. Where will I go to? I'm going to go to cashier. Right? And then we'll talk about withdrawal. Remember, I tested this deposit with card, with our own Nigerian card process. So I want to test it and see how it will work. I know it will definitely work, but I just want to test it and be sure how it is. So they should have sent me a mail by now. Hey, dollar baby, oh yeah, dance. Oh. My daughter is everything. You can see 4 minutes ago, I made a deposit. This was the withdrawal, the deposit I made. So I'm waiting for, let me go and check my mail. I'm supposed to receive a mail for the withdrawal. Okay, that's the mail. You can see the deposit was like 10:35. This is 10:41. So I've already made over 100%, 120%. So let's go and check this out. Boom, 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 boom. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this with the right training. Hey, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. I didn't get there. I didn't get here in a day. I actually had to practice, do a lot of practicing. So I'm going to be selecting like $50. Remember, I've made 100%. If I deposited 10,000, I've just made another 10,000. That's just it. I've made 10,000 extra. 27, that's 54. So let's say 50, let's say 55. I'll leave $5 there. I'm going to play with that one around. Now, I'm not going to refund my card because it's not card that I use. I'm looking for, where is it? Wow. So I'm looking for the withdrawal process. So where is the withdrawal process? I can't find it. The withdrawal process for that deposit, I'm not finding it. Will it be bank wire? No. You can see this is not active. Yes, it's not active. You can see I can't use that. It's not active. Look at it. They said correction. It's not active because that's above. They said correction. Bank wire above minimum amount required for this payout method is 500 USD. Okay. Under 10K. So this should be it. under 10k. Minimum amount method is 500. Okay, those are not available. Let's see refund card. Let's see. Okay. I don't think there is an option for this. You guys can see. Let me change this again. You can see how I'm struggling to get this because they just introduced it. So I'm not seeing, it's not here. It's not available here. From the deposit, we saw it. Okay, maybe I should open another binary so that I can show you from the deposit how it is. Okay, let's look at the deposit, cashier and deposit. So we see the option again so that I can compare it. You can see they are still working on it, so I believe so. You can see Nigerian bank transfer. That's how it is there. Nigerian bank transfer. Look at it here. Send funds safely and instantly from your local bank account from major local banks in Nigeria. Yes, it was accepted, but now withdrawing with this medium, how do you withdraw? It should be like bank wire transfer or something, but it's not there. So let's go and check. Look at the cashier, the withdrawer. We've entered the amount, refund to debit card, FastPay, Perfect Money, Kiwi, Web Money, bank wired. You can see all this one are not active. So I don't think there is any active one yet. Maybe they are still working on it because they just newly put it. So let's give it time. Don't let us conclude yet. But as far as I'm concerned, I've tried this. It's not pulling through. So what do I do? I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to grow the money to like $100, then withdraw with Bitcoin. That's what I'm going to do. So see ya and later.